I like that I've had so many opportunities to move up and learn everything throughout the building, and it's been a great opportunity to just get to know the people that I work with also.
Compared to other places I've worked, not as stressful. Like I say, it's pretty laid back. Everything's right there in front of you. You know, we all help each other out the best we can. That way, nobody's having to outwork the other one just because his workload's heavier. If somebody's got a light workload, they'll jump in and help somebody else.
It's very fast-paced, but they know that it takes a certain amount of time to get stuff done, so they allow us to have that time and get it done correctly. They want to make sure the product's good.
The pace is pretty quick, but I like that. I like to stay busy. Makes the day go by. Typical work day, we'll come in, find the job that we're going to work on, start it, run it till it's done, then find the next job. Just keep moving.
Growth opportunities is the big thing, and it's something I never really had an opportunity at other jobs in Maysville, so it's very good.